Morning Year 2 and welcome to another quiz. Right, let's make a start. First question, off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So this tally chart shows the different colours in a bag of sweets. Fill in the missing boxes. So all you had to do was fill in the missing boxes. So looking at the tally and looking at the number. Okay, so let's see how we did. So here I have 4 sweets that are red. And I need to write that in the form of tally, so using tally marks, okay? So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? For 5, so here there are 5 green sweets. Remember, when we write 5, when we think about tally marks, and we're thinking about the number 5, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door, okay? Here, orange, so I've got 5, 6, 7, so my answer is going to be 7. For 8, so remember, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, number 5 shuts the door, 6, 7, 8. And for the final colour, purple, there are 3 tally marks, so it's going to be 3. So well done if you got that question correct. And remember, you need to read the question carefully. Throughout this quiz, I'm not going to read the question out to you. I'm going to say, off you go, and then we're going to work through the question together. Okay? Let's have a look at the next question. Off you go. Good. If you're not ready, then pause your video and then press play. So, interpreting tally charts. What is the most common colour? So let's have a look at the tally chart. What is the most common colour? The answer is yellow. Excellent, well done. So yellow is the most common colour. What is the least common colour? The least common colour is purple. And how many sweets are there in the packet altogether? So for this question, you need to add all these numbers together. I'm going to add a few numbers at a time. So I'm going to start with the first 3 numbers, so 4, 5 and 7. I'm going to add 4, 5 and 7 together first. So 4 plus 5 plus 7. So 4 plus 5 is good, 9. 9 plus 7 is excellent, 16. Okay? And then I've got to add 8 and 3 together. So 8 plus 3, which is good, 11. So now I just have to add 16 and 11 together. So I'm going to do 16 plus 11. 6 plus 1 is good, 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So there are in total 27 sweets in the packet. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. I am thinking of a 2D shape. It has 6 sides and 6 corners. What is my shape? What is his shape going to be? Excellent. It's going to be a hexagon. So a shape that has 6 sides and 6 corners is a hexagon. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. There are 8 passengers on the bus. At the first stop, 3 more get on. At the second stop, 2 more get on. How many passengers are there on the bus now? So for this word problem, we have to think about what operation we need to use. So we need addition, subtraction, that's what we need to think about. There are 8 passengers on the bus, and at the first stop, 3 more get on. At the second stop, 2 more get on. How many passengers are there on the bus now? So I'm going to take the first part of the question first. There are 8 passengers on the bus and 3 get on. So that means I need to add on 3. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Good, well done. And then at the second stop, 2 more get on. So now I need to add 2 onto that, and my answer is 13. And that answers my question of how many passengers are there on the bus. So well done for getting that, if you got that question correct. Next question. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. There are 28 children in class 2. At playtime, 12 children chose to play football. How many children do not play football? Okay, so let's have a look at this question carefully. There are 28 children and 12 of those children choose to play football. So how many did not choose to play football? So for this question, we need to take away, so because we have 28 children, we need to take out the 12 children who chose to play football and see how many children chose not to play football. Okay, so 28 minus 12. Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So my answer is 16. Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Put these jugs in order from least full to the most full. Okay, so put these jugs in order from the least full to the most full. So you don't have to draw out the picture. All you need to do is write the letters. Ooh, I've said too much. Off you go. Are we ready? Let's have a look. So the least full. So the least full is, I'm going to start with E. Then I'm going to jug D. Then jug A, jug C, and jug B. Okay? Well done if you got that question correct. Next question. Order these times from the shortest to the longest. Oh, I shouldn't be reading the question. I think you can do it without my help. Off you go. Are we ready? So the shortest. So I had half an hour, 60 minutes, 2 hours, and 45 minutes. So the shortest time is I'm going to start with half an hour. So half an hour, because remember half an hour is 30 minutes. Half an hour. What's the next shortest time going to be? Good, it's going to be 45 minutes. So 45 minutes. The next time is going to be 60 minutes. And the longest time is 2 hours. So that was a very tricky question. Well done if you got that question correct. Okay, so now I'm going to leave you to have a go at this question. Read the question carefully, look at the numbers carefully, and don't forget to post any home learning on our Year 2 Twitter page. Thank you for listening, Year 2. Bye-bye.